Assalamualaikum. Hi guys, I am Yesi Syaka. I come from University Uinradapata Palembang. I am here seeking study program majoring in Islamic religious education. Okay, here we'll make milk sausage. Ingredient that we will need in making a sausage, namely
carrot pieces, potato pieces, egg, sausage, butter, and
well, for the first step we put the potatoes and potatoes that have been boiled before. Then make the egg until all are together. After that we prepare to make the food more perfect. Then pre-white wheel. Okay guys, sausage eggs are ready to be served.